Hi, I'm Cassie Smith with your spark plug of the day. This is 5 ways to embed brain breaks in remote teaching and learning. Number 1, embed YouTube timers in slides. This is very easy in Google Slides. You'll go to Insert, Video, and search for the increment of time that you want as a timer. Select it, go to Format, Format Options, play this. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a Bitmoji, just for fun. So now when I go back and I advance to this slide, it will autoplay that timer. Embed some break slides just to remind yourself to stop, give your students a break, and give yourself a break. Number 2 is keep calm to carry on. Calm Connect is now offering their platform for only $9.95 a month. This is a great tool for students who need practice with self-regulation, but also to just calm anyone. So embed one of these timer slides and just take a nice calming break together. Number 3 is the 20-20-20 rule. Eye doctors recommend that every 20 minutes you look at least 20 feet away for 20 seconds. One app that I've found very helpful is Timeout, and this is a Mac app. I have it set for every 20 minutes for 20 seconds, and then I just need to remember to look out the window. Every 20 minutes, it will gray out my screen and show me these very calming palm trees and remind me to take that 20-second break. Number 4 is get moving. There's a Google Chrome extension called Move It that you can embed into your browser. Here's an example of this now. It is interrupting me to squeeze my right hand firmly with my left hand. Sometimes it's jumping jacks, sometimes it's push-ups, sometimes it's just running in place, but it's a great reminder to get up and move when we are sitting at our computers for hours on end. Number 5 is embrace the silly. If you're video conferencing with students, have them join you in a Go Noodle video. My 6-year-old niece really enjoys Moose Tube. These are some fun dances that you can get up and try to sing along with and dance along with and laugh with each other in attempting to do those things. Thanks for watching, keep calm, and wash your hands.